Every monsoon I literally carve for this dish, especially with some hot steamed rice in a beautiful relaxed Sunday afternoon surrounded by friends and family. Do try this delicately balanced Hilsa or Ilish in a mustard gravy steamed to perfection. I am sure you will love this dish. Hey guys, I am Subhankari and I welcome you all to my channel Source Food Corner English, and I hope you all are doing good in your lives. If you are new to my page, to subscribe to my page and do not forget to tap the bell button. Thank you so much for liking and loving my videos. So let's begin with this delicious recipe. So for this I need to prepare a mustard base. Here I have taken yellow mustard, that's 1 tablespoon, and black mustard, that's again 1 tablespoon. Yellow mustard little bit less pungent than the black mustard, so I have used it for balance. And first I need to dry grind them for few seconds. This really helps to make a smooth paste of mustard seeds. So to this I will be adding 2 green chilies, fresh grated coconut around 2 to 3 tablespoon. I have taken a Hilsa fish around 300 grams. Accordingly I am using. If you increase the quantity, you will increase this base. Thick curd I will be using around 4 tablespoon. So this goes in blender, and to balance the taste I have here salt half a teaspoon because I have taken 300 grams of fish, and to balance the pungency of the mustard I will be using 1/4 teaspoon of sugar. This will not enhance the sweetness but will only balance the flavor. Turmeric powder 1/4 teaspoon or 2 to 3 pinch, that's it. It's very important to add little bit less of turmeric powder just for color. And to this I will be adding around 4 to 5 tablespoon of water because we already have some water content in curd. So after adding water, I'll just make it a nice smooth puree. You can see the consistency of the puree, it's perfectly done. It's neither too thick nor thin. And now you can adjust salt accordingly because we have already added, and if it's less you can add at this time. And to this I'll be adding Hilsa fish. You can see the supreme delicacy, especially in monsoons. I just love this flavor. It has a very rich taste. And pour some batter on the top of the Hilsa fish and nicely give it a massage very delicately, and on the top of it I'll be adding raw mustard oil around 4 tablespoons. This goes here, and now it's time to steam this Hilsa fish. So it's a very simple recipe. The basic thing that matters is the flavor. And now I'll add some slitted green chilies. Already we had added some in the paste. This is for the nice aroma. This is it. I'll close the lid tightly. Make sure in whichever tiffin box you are steaming it, the lid should be tight and it should be flat. The fish pieces should not overlap each other. So this is it. Now I'll put it in a steamer and close the lid. I have normally used a pan here, and I'll steam it for 12 to 15 minutes max, and after 15 minutes I'll switch off the flame and leave it for 3 to 4 minutes in the heat. So basically it takes around 18 to 20 minutes, and now it's done here. You can see it's perfectly steamed. I'll just switch off the flame and let it be in that heat for around 4 to 5 minutes, and after 5 to 6 minutes I'll use the kitchen towel to take this container or tiffin box out. You can see the thickness of my container. It's not great in height, but it's oval or flat. That's the trick, and it's done. And now it's time to savor this delicacy. Here my beautiful Hilsa is perfectly steamed. You can see the mustard oil that we had added has done the trick. It's perfectly done, and it's best enjoyed with some hot steaming rice. This dish is a special reason for waiting for monsoons because Hilsa fish is only available in this season, monsoon season, and it tastes much better. And as I said earlier, some memories are attached to every seasons, and this is one of them. I hope you have liked this recipe. You can also try this version of steamed fish with some rohi or the katla or bhakur fish. Anyway, Hilsa fish is one of my favorites, and so thought to share this delicious recipe with you. And now it's time for the comment of the day. Today's comment is from Hannah Sherlin. She writes, new subscriber, you got such a beautiful recipes. Your English is very crisp. Love this channel, not sure why it's underrated. Thank you so much, Hannah, for your beautiful and encouraging words. I do hope my recipes, my video reaches out to beautiful souls like you. Thank you for noticing me, and thank you for this beautiful encouraging words. Stay safe and stay connected. sharing this delicious recipe with all my heart. And if you have loved the video, do give a thumbs up, share with your family and friends, and do not forget to subscribe to my page. And if you have a Bengali or a friend from Odisha, they will really love this recipe. You can also follow Sue's Food Corner English on Instagram and Facebook. See you in next video. Till then, stay safe, love life, and happy fooding.